Itbami nga tsubanwa, lalapit kami kaya ka akapmulang kapasalamatan din puso mi. Salamat kimbiye ampo kindoduang mong grasyal doaldo kaya kami. Kapman mo kaming kabyasnan at galingan, bang midala kami king gustong dalan, at kimot kami agpangking kaya kang kaburyan. Di na nyo kepong sikanan kabang daranasan milara kapag subukan, bang alampasan mi ingano mong kasakitang datang kaya kami. Sopan mo kaming maging saluning katutuan ng panggrasya, karang hanggang tao nga kakasabi mi. Gamitan mo kaming instrumento o Ginoo, ning kaya kang lugod at kayapan. Iting kaya kaming pangadi, kindagyo ng Jesus. Amen.
Ilagay natin ang kanang kamay sa kaliwang dibdib at buong puso nating awitin ang pambansang awit.
Bayang magiliw, perlas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig. Di ka pasisiin sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bughaw. May dilagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning. Ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng luwalhatit pagsinta, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
This is Radio World Broadcasting Corporation, DWRW CLTV Digital Channel 36, a commercial broadcast station with 2,500 watts transmitting power, authorized under station license number BSD-0485-2023, issued by the National Telecommunications Commission, valid until May 31, 2024. The CLTV 36 studios, offices, and transmitter are located at the Corporate Guarantee Building, Jose Abad Santos Avenue, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. CLTV 36 Broadcast Engineering is headed by Engineer Harold Kim Magaro with ECE number 16782. The CLTV 36 transmitter is maintained and operated by an electronics technician and engineer duly licensed by the Professional Regulations Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. CLTV 36 is a proud member of the Kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas. All programs have been approved for broadcast by the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board. CLTV 36 can also be seen in 38 cable TV stations in Central Luzon, Pampanga, Bulacan, Bataan, Tarlac, Nueva Ecija, CLTV 36 may also be watched nationwide through Signal Channel 115 and worldwide via live streaming at www.cltv36.tv. Programs telecast on this station may not be used for any purpose except exhibition at the time of their broadcast on receivers in places where no admission, cover, or mechanical operating charges are made. This is CLTV 36, now signing on.
the whole world and our own kababayan. Welcome to Pampanga, Malaus, Cebu. Pampanga, yeah, Pampanga, yeah. Get ready for the places you'll go. You're gonna have a blast, I know. Pampanga, yeah, Pampanga, yeah. The world-class fabulous scenes, Pampanga, Philippines. The seas to leave, you won't wanna leave, 'cause you're in Pampanga. Everybody say yeah, 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 yeah. Tukita laking barangle, isang banat matwang bale. Bakit tamoy ngayon naganang pagbaragol kingge? Manibating tradisyon ang ganating bayong panahon. Paborenyong maniglo, itasalang ngero bisang mako. To anyone who's looking for the best culinaria, the best chefs, kusinera, and delicious carineria, heirloom recipes of Kapampangan families, you will surely lose your sanity. Come on everybody, say Maganda Pampanga! Pampanga, yeah! Get ready for the places you'll go, you're gonna have a blast, I know. Pampanga, yeah! Pampanga, yeah! The world has fabulous scenes, Pampanga, Philippines. Nagano ka rin kaman, Torang Araya, Susmuan, Magalang, Florida, Blanca, Lubao, Mexico, Bago sa Simo, sa Daan, sa Sarita, sa Luis, Santo Tomas, Apaling, Sinalim, Candaba, Bacolod, Angeles, City, Mabalacan, City, Masandul, Macabebe, City of San Fernando, we got to be proud. Pampanga, yeah! Pampanga, yeah! Get ready for the places you'll go, you're gonna have a blast, I know. Pampanga, yeah! Pampanga, yeah! The world has fabulous scenes, Pampanga, Philippines. Na-na-na-na, no tapa, na-na-na-na, no tapa. Everybody loves Pampanga. Na-na-na-na, no tapa, na-na-na-na, no tapa. Everybody loves Pampanga. Pampanga, yeah! Pampanga, yeah! Get ready for the places you'll go, you're gonna have a blast, I know. Pampanga, yeah! Pampanga, yeah! The world has fabulous scenes, Pampanga, Philippines. Pampanga, Anyama, Pampanga, Anyama, Pampanga, Anyama, Pampanga. Wow!
First of all, I want really to congratulate you people, no. It was a long journey actually, no, and maraming challenges. But then talagang because of perseverance ng mga nandito, and I think it's in the Laos group culture talaga. Still growing strong tayo, no. Everybody knows CRTV, parang padala, and we are really involved in public affairs, and even the the cultural activities of Pampanga, nandun tayo sa Ligligan, no? I think yun namang wish, yung dream wish ni founder ni Tata Levy, nandiyan pa, yung involvement natin sa mga sa social media natin dito. So, all the officers and of course the crew of CLTV, happy 17th anniversary.